Hi everyone, Heather Leopards here, and today I'm going to walk you through how I created this layout about my daughter using the Ellie Studio February kit. This layout was inspired by the heart speech bubble that was included in the kit that Ellie designed, and so I cut it out of my Silhouette Cameo and kept the, cut part right there that you see, and then I set aside the heart because I might want to use that for something else in the future, but I'm also going to use it as a template. So what I want to do here is position the speech bubble where I want it. And once I like where it's placed, I insert that little cutout there and trace around it so that I have a template. Next, I'm going to stitch around the speech bubble. And I actually went around this 3 times, wonky lines and everything. And then I went around the inside of the heart as well, or the inside of the speech bubble. And I did that 3 times as well. Nice and slow. I don't worry about straight lines. I like them wonky. I think it adds additional character. I also decided that I wanted to stitch circles on the background paper, as you can see here. I just wanted it to add a little bit more texture to the background paper. Next, I started to add in my title, or at least placement of where I thought I might want part of my title, and then filled in some of the heart, or actually all of the heart here, with the cork embellishments, the wood veneer, stickers, die cuts, and these awesome puffy stickers. You'll see that I move things around quite a bit while I'm going through this process, but I have to make sure, of course, that it's all going to fit. And I don't really want, 2 colors right next to each other. I don't want too much wood together with other pieces of wood. So I just shift them around until I like it. And then some of these have sticky backing. Others I used glue dots for. So any of the wood and the cork was adhered with glue dots. And I'm almost done. I've got a couple more pieces to adhere down. Double check everything, make sure it's right. Make a couple of more adjustments. Looks like I need maybe one more little puffy sticker in there. Okay, maybe 2. Once I like it, then I'm going to add foam dots to the back because I want it to pop up just a little bit off of the background paper. So I fill this entire thing up with foam dots and then carefully place it down, making sure that it's lined up perfect. And here you can see the stitching up close as well as the placement of all the embellishments. So I can put that kind back up at the top and the and, because I'm going to actually have a long title that spans the upper right and the lower left of the layout. So now I'm adding glue dots to the back of the wood and the acrylic, and I will place it just hanging over the upper right hand corner of the heart just a little bit. And then next, it's time to start working on my photos, which are, of course, the star of the page. So I used the 4x6 and some of the 3x4 layouts, and you can see there I'm adjusting everything because I guess it was covering it up just a little bit too much. So like I said, I used the 3x4 cards and the 4x6 cards from the kit as my layers. And I'm going to add some staples once I like the placement. And that just helps keep everything right where I want it while I'm working things around. I can add some glue and we'll get this first photo down. There we go. And then I'm going to add foam dots again to the second photo as well because I want that one to just pop up just a little bit more. And now we'll get it all glued down perfectly. And as I'm looking through these alphabets, I decide that I'm going to use the black ones, but unfortunately I ran out of some of the letters in the black. So I brought in some pink, and now I've got just a little mix of colors, which I think looks great. I actually like how that turned out versus keeping it solid one color. And so I do that again down at the bottom after Brave. So this title actually says kind heart, and brave spirit. And there's the pink, and I finish it off with the black. Some of these things need to be popped up just a little bit more, so I add a couple of foam dots underneath the photo. And I'm like, okay, I'm done. This looks good. And then I'm like, I don't know, I think it could use a couple more things. So I pull out the die cuts, I staple a couple of die cuts to the photo again, and then the lower right side of the photo needs something as well. So I add in a cute little die cut tag, and I'm trying to think, do I want to put a sticker? What do I want to put? And I ultimately decide that it just needs a little touch of a puffy embellishment right there. And now I think I'm done. I'm just going to check for a couple of little details here. Looks like I may need to add a piece of foam right there at the bottom. And that's it. I'm done. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope I've inspired you. I will be posting more videos of layouts, crafts, and home decor, so I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.